Meaning of glaring.
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 Glaring. The word glaring means extremely obvious or conspicuous. When something is described as glaring, it is typically a negative characteristic that draws a lot of attention. For example, if a person's mistake at work is glaring, it means that it is very obvious and difficult to ignore. Likewise, something that is glaringly obvious can be seen by anyone without much effort. Overall, the use of the word glaring implies that something is so strikingly noticeable that it cannot be overlooked or ignored, whether for good or bad.